Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful ideas about resin keychain, resin coaster, resin jewelry, etc. Today I am making alphabet M keychain for one of my client with beautiful color combination, pink and white. I wanted to add some golden flakes in it, but I decided that it is looking beautiful without golden flakes. So I left the idea about golden flakes. I hope you are enjoying. And get idea about beautiful color combination. It will look very beautiful, very amazing, very interesting. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.